Hi everyone, welcome to Graphics Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to trim and split footages in Capcut. First, open your Capcut app and import 3 videos. Then drag them into the timeline. For split this video, now select split option, or you can simply press B key from your keyboard as shortcut. Then select the split pointer where you want to split, then split the video. You can also split the video by click here on top of our video and simply delete the extra parts of the video. Here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphics Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.